Hey guys, I got some clothes from Fansidea, and what they are, it's a company that create different type of clothing. The first one I got is this piece, and this one is the blue and yellow, which is like the cutest combination ever. And on it says Pug G with like a 29. The 29 is for our son's birthday, and the Puggy Nate is channel, my husband's channel that he does his gaming channel on. So I just got this one for him. Like, I thought it was cute. This one I got for myself, and I got this one with the pink and the blue and the black around it, like super cute. Right here I have my logo for my business, and obviously I got my YouTube channel name, which is Kim Nicole. The 27th is my birthday, and then on the back I have the 20th, which is my favorite number, and on the top I have Kim Celebrity, which is my IG name. Not least, I have this sweater which has the pink and blue combination. On the back I have Kim Nicole, which is my name, again my YouTube channel name, 27 for my birthday. On the front I have my logo again, and this time I have Dot Girl Kim, right, with is my website name, dotgirlkim.com. So I put my website name, and then I put 29 at the front for my son's birthday, which is perfect. I'm gonna link like the products link in my description, and the discount code, the website, and you could like check out some of the other stuff that they do have, and are just regular shirt where you could design yourself. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like this video.